So hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see that your Samsung Galaxy tab stuck on the startup screen. So guys, if you're facing such type of error, so guys, you are not alone. Many of users having these issues, but in this video we will find some relevant way to resolve this issue. Okay, so guys, first step, before starting any hard step, we will perform a simple step. Okay, so guys, first of all we can try to restart our tab. Okay, so guys, we have two options for restarting our tab. First one is direct. Okay, so by direct method you can just scroll down the settings options. You can here see the power button, so you can click here. Okay, then you can see the power option is appear. Okay, so you can see power off and restart. So guys, if you not getting both of the option by direct option, so you use these alternate methods, so which is you can press the power button and volume down button. So you can press both the buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds, and that your tab is automatically restart. So you can see my screen now, this is automatically restart. Okay, so you can wait for the few seconds, the tab will be get back after restarting. Okay, then we can perform the another step. Okay, so guys, by restarting solve most of the problem, because the restarting can clear all the caches and other unwanted app which are running in the background. They will be automatically closed during the restart process. Okay, and guys, after that another step, you can use remove the external accessories. So guys, if you are using any SSD card and anything which are external, so you can remove by using any sim ejector. Okay, so this is the whole of uh, eject the sim tray and SD card tray. So you can plug any pin, you can put it, and it will be back on. Okay, so guys, by this you can remove any unwanted accessories, memory card insert into your tab, and you can try to remove them and you can restart your device again. Okay, because sometimes incompatibilities, accessories or corrupt memory card can cause the startup issues. After that we have the another option. So guys, another option is also very simple. So guys, before starting this process you need to keep your device powered. Okay, so you can connect by the USB, maybe it is with the type C, which your tab is supported. Then again you can press both of the off button. Okay, then it will be automatically restart. Okay, so you can wait few seconds, then you can change the button. Then you can press the upper button, means a volume up button, after restarting the process. Okay, now you can see there is a windows, there is a command type screen will be on, there is a command type screen is on your screen. So you can see there is a lot of options. So guys, don't worry, you just go down. Okay, and here you can see the option which is wipe the caches. Okay, so guys, here you can see the option wipe the caches partition. So guys, you can select by these option by using your volume down and volume up button. Okay, and you can select by the power button. Okay, so guys, here you can click on OK and wipe the caches partition. Okay, so guys, by this process they will be clear your all app caches and the data. Okay, so you can go down, and after wiping it will be automatically reboot. So you can go up and you can restart your system now. Okay, so you can wait for the few seconds, your tab will be automatically restart. So guys, if you perform all the step and you still stuck in the problem, so guys, another step is you can boot into the safe mode. So guys, booting your tablet into safe mode can help to identify if third party app is causing the problem. So to do this, you can press and hold your power button, okay, until the power menu appear. Then long press the power option until you see the prompt to the boot menu into the safe mode. So guys, here it's showing the safe mode. Okay, once in the safe mode, check if the tablet still freeze on the startup. So if you think, you may need to uninstall the recent installed app. Okay, so guys, maybe the problem with any app, so you can uninstall any app which you are recently installed. Okay, after that you can contact with the support team. So guys, if you still in the same issue after performing all the tasks and you are not getting any solution, so guys, you need now to contact with the support team. So guys, if your tab is under the warranty, so you can mm, directly contact the customer support without any hesitation. Otherwise you can contact your nearby shops and your service center. Okay, for contacting the support team, I will show you. You can simply contact with the support team with the simple step. So the one thing is, you also check the update of your tablet, because sometimes older version can create such type of issues. Okay, so for contact the support team, you just go here. If your tab is stuck, so guys, you can use any other devices. Okay, so you can, where you can write the, where you can open any browser. Okay, and you can select the tab. Here you can write this Samsung customer support, SAM, Samsung customer care. Here you can go. Okay, so by simply you can contact on this mobile number, as well as you can directly contact by this page. Okay, so guys, if you have an guys, if you are belongs to any other country, for example I am belongs to the India, so it's showing Samsung India. So guys, for example, if you belongs to the UK, so you can just simple here you can write UK here. Okay, so you can click on that. So here you can see the product help and the support page from UK. So you can select here. Now the page, support page is open for the UK people and UK regions. So guys, here you can see additional support, troubleshooting, Samsung account. So you can go here, warranty and registration, track my repair, whatever you can choose according to your problem. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.